So when we explored the plugins, we can click Add New, and we can start to explore the different features that we can install. You want to keep in mind that plugins add data to your website. So there might be a ton of cool features, but if you activate, for example, 25 plugins, it could lead to a very slow site. Some popular ones that people use, if they're using a certain kind of theme, they might activate the classic editor, which I'll show you in a moment. Jetpack, not only is this act as security and backup, but it also enables you to download the WordPress app on your phone and to create blog posts remotely. Some other things might be some social. So we could look up any keyword out there and we're going to see a bunch of different plugins. Yoast SEO, this is going to be one of the most popular SEO plugins out there. I'd say go ahead and install it. Another plugin we might want to consider is redirection. Redirection would be used if you had a URL, maybe you had yourname.com/website design, and you decided to rename that page as just yourname.com/website. Redirection would make sure that anybody who went to website design was redirected to the appropriate link. The link you would be sending people to is a dead link. Feel free to explore the different plugins. You can activate them. If I activate that redirection and I go to tools, it's now added an option into my tools that wasn't there before.